Hello everyone, this is Charles BridgTec with another flashlight review, this time on a Sunwayman Comet. Now I was sent this by Banggood.com. Comes in this box, or should I say metal container. And we'll go ahead and start with showing you the specifications. This is a small little keychain light for your everyday carry on your keys. Has a maximum output of 88 lumens. Now this has two light level outputs, the highest being 88 lumens. Okay, so let's wait no further. Let's open this up and see what's in it. Comes with that key ring. It's got a quick access hook on there. Feels heavy duty too. Okay. We have one extra O-ring here. You have a quality assurance sticker. And let's go ahead and grab the manual out of here. And this is pretty big here on this. That's Chinese side. And we got the American side. And it looks like it's running the Cree XQ-E R2 LED. So it'll be interesting here. Alright. So let's go ahead and move on to the little keychain light here. And here it is. Well, how tiny that is. Comet. It's got some special optics on here. Excellent machining and finish on this. Tiny compact design. Feels solid. Okay, let me go ahead and show you where the USB micro charging port is here. You can see there. That's where you'll charge it right there. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and take this apart, and I'll show you the battery here. Now I went ahead and charged this little Comet, so a lot of threads here that you have to unscrew. And then you have the body there, no spring in there. And then here's where the battery is. And this is the little battery there, 80 milliamps. This is a 10180 cell, rechargeable. There is a little plastic piece that you have to remove off of that. Once you do that, straight contact on there. Spring down inside there. Okay, we're going to put it all back together. And it will come back on. Put it back together with the barrel here. And of course you don't have to unscrew this all the way, but the light will come on, and you charge that right there. That way you don't lose this other piece. Once you plug it in, charge it, it'll turn red on the opposite side, and this light will go out. Now when you're done charging it, it will shut off. Now you can go ahead and turn on this light. You got low, high. Show you the beam here. It's got a little bit of a hot spot here, especially for this size of light. There's quite a bit of light coming out of here, but you can see it does have a little bit of a spill. Screw that all the way in, turns it off. Very easy. So let's go ahead and take this outside, see how it does in the wilderness. We are out here in the darkness with the little Sunwayman Comet. We're going to go ahead and turn this on here for you. And that's on the lowest setting here. Usually making, it's faintly making 60 feet there, but so now we're going to go ahead and go up to the next level. There's the higher output there. And remember, this is only a little tiny keychain light, and it is making 65 feet there, so that's pretty good range for such a small keychain light. Actually quite impressive. And it is faintly making the tree of life, believe it or not, there. All right. I hope you enjoyed those night shots. Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed those night shots. I put the key ring on there. Looks good, feels rugged. Easy access to be able to put that on quickly. Attach it to anything. You don't have to attach it to your keys. Attach it to your backpack, other emergency gear. Have emergency light. Really nice construction, design. I'm quite pleased with it. So it's good to see Sunwayman putting out lights again, and this is no exception to their policy of making good quality lights for a reasonable price. So all in all, this did really well. It's only 88 lumens on high, of course. So I just want to thank Banggood.com for sending me this to review. Now, if you are interested in getting this, they have provided me a special discount code. Look right up on that screen right about there. And that'll help you save some money on this, should you be interested in it. Well, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please share, like, and subscribe. That way I can bring more of these type of lights to you in the future. Thanks for watching. Take care.